best Shopify payment in Singapore. Shopify offers multiple payment gateways for merchants in Singapore. The best payment gateway for a Shopify store in Singapore depends on various factors such as transaction fees, ease of use, customer preferences, and the specific needs of the business. Here are some of the popular payment gateways for Shopify merchants in Singapore. Shopify Payments. This is Shopify's own payment gateway. It's integrated directly into your store's dashboard, making it easy to manage your transactions. It offers competitive rates and is known for its ease of use. PayPal Express Checkout. A widely recognized and trusted payment method, PayPal allows customers to pay using their PayPal accounts or credit cards. It's easy to set up and is accepted internationally. Stripe. Stripe is another popular payment gateway that supports online businesses in many countries, including Singapore. It offers a seamless checkout experience and supports various payment methods. 2. Checkout. This is a global payment gateway that supports businesses in Singapore. It's known for its security features and supports multiple payment methods. WorldPay. A global leader in payment processing, WorldPay offers solutions tailored for businesses of all sizes. It supports a wide range of payment methods. eNETS. This is a local payment gateway in Singapore that allows customers to pay directly from their bank accounts. FOMOPay. This is a comprehensive payment solution that supports various payment methods popular in Asia, including WeChat Pay, Alipay, and more. Razorpay. While it's primarily an Indian payment gateway, Razorpay also supports international payments and can be used by Shopify merchants in Singapore. It's essential to consider the transaction fees, setup fees, and any other associated costs when choosing a payment gateway. Additionally, consider the payment methods your target audience is most comfortable with. It's always a good idea to offer multiple payment options to cater to a broader range of customers. However, the landscape of e-commerce and payment gateways is continually evolving. I recommend checking Shopify's official website or consulting with local e-commerce experts in Singapore for the most up-to-date and relevant information.